Welcome to our home, the home where we value our mothers more than anyone. The place where the river Neera flows through each of our hearts, where even few drops feel like holy water. The place for the basic needs of everyone. The place of the purest milk. Savant Dairy. We at Savant Dairy produce the highest quality milk which is sold directly from our farm to your home. We try to keep everything at our farm as authentic and as natural as possible. From the roughage for the cows to the fodder, everything is kept in checks for its hygiene and cleanliness. The products are made with all the best possible equipments and are wholly automated. Savant Dairy is a home to a herd of over 700 pedigree, Holstein and Jersey cows. We treat our cows with old-fashioned kindness and respect. Our farm is a loose housing cow farm, which means cows are free, eating and resting as much as they please, and get natural environment, that is sunlight, wind and rain. Producing safe, quality milk for families around the state is a responsibility we take seriously. Food safety is our top priority. Savant Dairy thrives on bringing you milk of the highest quality, completely natural with no additives, untouched and unadulterated by human hands, with a very low bacteria count and eco-friendly packaging, with no antibiotics, no oxytocin and no aflatoxin. At Savant Dairy, we don't just milk cows, we harvest high-quality, safe milk.